in Africa. And let me move to Ebola, because this is something that is now troubling us all enormously. You know the data, you know the facts. Over 1,500 deaths, over 3,000 proven that they are infected. 5 countries now with cases registered on their territory: Guinea, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, and 1 case in Senegal. What is different in this case of Ebola than other pandemics that we have faced? Very straightforward difference. This is the first time we have a pandemic in countries that have no health systems to speak of, that most of them come out of conflicts or are still impacted, very, very unstable, and the response is entirely externally driven. MSF has been heroic, somewhat slow on the uptake, but the World Health Organization has stepped up to the plate. We have provided 12 million, well, 11.9 million euros. People say, oh, but you know, is this enough? What matters is this money works there. It is to stop it at source. We are now setting our experts in the 3 countries in Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone to also help with assessing needs for evacuation, in addition to providing humanitarian support. I was in August in Washington, talked to the World Bank for the need to inject massively support in the health systems. There is now 200 million from the World Bank. We are, with Commissioner Piebalgs, looking at the use of 140 million euros from the EDF, and we might come to the Parliament and, of course, to the Council to ask for a slice of this money to be directed as humanitarian aid rather than long-term development support because of the urgency. What is very clear is that when you have situations of fragility, they are a breeding ground for terrible things. In this particular case, it is the epidemic. Let me finish the big crisis with Ukraine, since you have talked